Okay, for the first task, we have to illustrate or to draw the AC equivalent of a transistor for this given network. Okay, for the first step is to set all the DC sources to 0 and replace them by a short circuit equivalent. So these sources and equate or equivalent, replace it to a short circuit. And next is to replace all the capacitors into a short circuit. So from the step 1 and step 2, this is the illustration. Short circuit capacitors. Then for the first resistor for R1, then the VC here is not a 0. Turn off the short circuit. Next, in the step 3 is to remove all the elements bypassed by short circuit equivalents introduced by the step 1, step 2. As you can see, we remove all the elements bypassed in the short circuit. So therefore, this will be like this. The RC, as you can see, there's no VC in here. The capacitors are short circuit. Okay, for the next capacitor, we also this from step 1, step 2, and step 3, we are here. We now draw the equivalent circuit, but we can redraw this to make it more convenient and in logical form. So from here, from the equation here, we can turn it into this, like this one, from R1 and R2. From this one and this one, we can create this R1 is parallel to R2. Then okay, of course, the VO, and okay, from the E capacitor. Lastly, for the RC, this is the RC. Okay, and that's all. This is the illustration from this given network. This is the illustration for an AC, for an equivalent circuit.